Okay, so we're going to remove the top of the front shock absorber. Simply take out these cheesehead screws. I could take the filler plug out, but I want to get all the oil out because I'm going to replace it with this, which is motorcycle fork oil. It's the right 20 weight. A lot of discussion on the forums about the type of oil. Some people recommend 30 SAE, never a multi-grade, always a single grade. Some 40, but a lot of other people, including the manual, recommend 20 weight. So I'm going to go for that. And motorcycle fork oil is apparently marginally better than engine oil, probably because it doesn't have all the additives that go with modern engine oils. So we'll see. It's still undecided as to whether or not I'm going to improve the front suspension with a telescopic kit. We'll see. I think that's something that can be decided later once we see how it goes. These shock absorbers were taken off the car a few years ago. I cleaned them up. There were no leaks actually, so I'm pretty hopeful that they'll work. Of course, my car has never been driven by me, so it's one of those things when you try to restore a car that's been sitting idle for 20 years. I did test the arm to make sure it moved through the full area of travel, and it does, so that is indicative of hopefully fairly robust health. Oop, there we go. The gasket there looks to be in fairly good condition. The oil looks disgusting. Someone said that these shock absorbers, the oil, if it's really old, can smell like dead fish. I can smell something. Not particularly pleasant, but I'm not sure it's fish. Okay, let's see how this works. Well, that's what the oil looks like. Actually, it doesn't look too bad. Looks like. Well, now it smells like rubber because of this. Alright, let's let you have a look here. That's the innards of the Armstrong shock absorber. I'll try and get out as much oil as I can, then I'll put the fresh oil in. This is the 20 weight motorcycle fork oil. Just going to work the lever up and down a couple of times just to expel any bubbles. Certainly clearer than what it was before. And that's a nice movement, so fingers crossed. Put the cover back on. Seems to be symmetrical. So now we're just going to pop a split pin in.